Hi everyone, welcome back to my new video. So today's video is about the online MBA from the Amity University. So I have come up with answers of your all the questionnaires that have been mentioned in the comment section in my earlier videos I posted on YouTube. तो आज जैसे कि मैं यहाँ पे आई हूँ तो फिर कुछ क्वेश्चनरीज के साथ आई हूँ दैट वाज रेज्ड इन माय अर्लियर वीडियोस लाइक कि हाउ द थिंग्स गेट प्रोसेस्ड इन ऑनलाइन एमबीए और कैसे चीज़ें होती हैं लाइक इफ़ समवन वांट्स टू ऑप्ट फॉर अ लोन देन हाउ द लोन account will be opened and how the things usually get processed in online MBA course. So today सबसे पहली चीज़ कि ऑनलाइन MBA आप लोग जहाँ से भी करो, not specifically from Amity University. I never force anyone to do the online MBA peculiarly from only the dedicated university being suggested by me, but I also suggest everyone to do the online MBA course from the UGC approved university. Like कि अगर आप किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटी से ऑनलाइन MBA करते हो तो प्लीज़ एटलीस्ट एक बार गूगल पे सर्च ज़रूर कर लीजिएगा वेदर द यूनिवर्सिटी इज़ UGC अप्रूव्ड और नॉट. अदरवाइज आपका MBA करने का कोई भी मतलब नहीं रह जाएगा एंड डिग्री विल नॉट बी कंसीडर्ड एंड इवैल्यूएटेड in your career journey. So if you really want to get your degree utilized in your promotions and in any terms of behavior, so you have to ensure that कि online MBA जिस भी college या university से आप करिए, so please make sure that it has to be UGC approved because as per only the UGC guidelines, the online MBA is equivalent to the regular MBA course. It's not like कि अगर हम online MBA कर रहे हैं तो फिर it's really quite easy कि दूसरी universities जैसे बोलती हैं कि like online MBA में हमें कुछ ज़्यादा करना नहीं होता है. I mean we have to go through each and every session and we have to give the assessments for each and every modules that would be assigned to us during this course and it is quite tough. Not too much tough कि आपके 4 semesters होते हैं and in one's first semester you can take it very lightly. You have to be answerable for the 6 courses. So first semester like मैंने IT management में किया था because I was looking for promotion in my company, so I thought of I should do the MBA. इसलिए मुझे लगा कि in order to balance my professional life with all these courses, so I mean professionally usually whenever we are somewhere contributing dedicatedly 9 to 10 hours, so we don't have much time to spend on studies, to spend on regular attending the class. So you know what, if you want to go for an online MBA course, then please ensure that the degree has to be UGC approved and the university has to be UGC approved. Otherwise if you do the MBA from the non-UGC approved university, then it won't be having any use in your career. So please make sure that the your university has to be UGC approved. Like I have done the MBA from the Amity University. That helped me a lot to get promotion in my career journey. So I'm so thankful to Amity as of now because they have launched this program and this is the online degree. I think it is the best option अगर if you really want to uplift your skills और आपके पास अभी कोई भी ऐसा master degree नहीं है, if you really want to do the masters in your career, so what's wrong in this? तो आप लोग जाओ और करो along with your job because I think we don't have to take a sabbatical leave to get this course done because regular MBA हो या तो distance MBA हो. I know both the degrees has its different values. But if you are already doing the job, so I think the expertise in your specific domain matters a lot instead of having degree. Like अगर आप सोचो कि ये डिग्री है मेरे पास, ये मास्टर्स मैंने कर लिया एंड इससे कि मैं इससे जो है अपना पैकेज जो है बढ़ा लूँगा आफ्टर स्विचिंग माई जॉब, सो इट्स अ मिथ. इट्स नथिंग हैपेंस लाइक दैट इन द कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर. सो योर एक्सपीरियंस मैटर, हाउ मच एक्सपीरियंस यू हैव गेन्ड इन योर पर्टिकुलर डोमेन एंड द प्रोफाइल. तो इसीलिए अगर आपको ऑनलाइन MBA कोर्स करना है, सो प्लीज़ डू इट फ्रॉम द UGC अप्रूव्ड यूनिवर्सिटी. सो आई थिंक मैंने तो MBA कर ली and I have got my mark sheet as well, but I'm waiting for convocation. I will definitely walk you through the convocation program as well once I'll be invited in Amity University to receive my degree. I'm just eagerly waiting for that day when I'll get my master's degree. तो मैं यही चाहती हूँ कि कोई भी अपना यार टाइम स्पेंड कर रहा है तो योर डिग्री should value at least waste. And this is the time which you are paying to achieve the things has to be legitimate with respect to any degree, any university. क्योंकि I don't think अगर आप जो चीज़ एज पर प्रोसेस नहीं है तो आप देख ही रहे हो कि डिग्री आपका पैसा भी जाएगा, और आई डोंट वांट योर मनी टू गो वेस्ट. सो इट्स बेटर इफ़ यू गो फॉर द यूजीसी अप्रूव प्रोग्राम. ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट, अगर आपको लगता है कहीं से भी कि हमारी बुक्स नहीं हो रही, डिलीवर कुछ नहीं हो रहा, सो देयर कस्टमर सर्विस इज़ मच बेटर देन अदर यूनिवर्सिटीज़, एंड यू कैन go for all the lectures online. There is the Amingo portal where you can register yourself and you can go through each and every modules are updated over there. There is a books always uploaded on the Amingo portal as well in online MBA course. तो आपको online भी books available होंगी, hard copy भी मिलेगी, that will be delivered at your given address location, but parallelly आपको online books भी available होंगी, so you don't have to too much worry about the book and other stuff. Really everything is available online. If there is something is about online, so we have online books available, everything is available. And the first thing, आपको अपना project भी minor हो या major project हो, you guys have to submit your project online. You have done your bachelor's, तो अगर बैचलर डिग्री जिसने की है then project is not the big deal. So everything is legal here, and there is no cheating happens, nothing happens, but you have to be very honest with respect to your each and every with respect to your time which you're giving on it. So things will be going easily here, so you don't have to too much worry on this. ऑल्सो आई रिसीव वन क्वेरी लाइक कि यार कि मैम यहाँ पे चीटिंग होती है क्या, या चीटिंग क्या करनी है ऑनलाइन, आप कोर्स भी ऑनलाइन करो एंड यू आर लुकिंग फॉर द चीटिंग. तो दिस इज समथिंग यार, चीटिंग तो मतलब इफ it's up to you यार कि how would you get the things done. It's up to you, and honestly if you are too much loyal with your course and with respect to your studies and the knowledge that you want to gain from doing any course, so why you are looking for the cheating and such stuffs. But yes, there is during the exam session you have to sit idle in front of the camera, where you don't have to move from here and there, at least for the 2 hours which are dedicatedly assigned to you for giving exams. So एग्ज़ाम के टाइम आपको इधर उधर हिलना डुलना भी नहीं है, एंड यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू गो टू वॉशरूम, इवन टू गेट अ वाटर, एनीथिंग. यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू इवन जस्ट गेट अप फ्रॉम योर chair where you are sitting. So you have to sit idle in front of the camera while giving exams. So, and they usually just have a look in your surroundings via camera. So you always have to show this stuff which are keeping around you, and your mobile is not allowed while giving the exams. Nothing is allowed. So but only the pen paper is allowed, and there should be the blank paper only allowed with the pen. So the rules are very strict, and you are instructed to follow all the rules, and after that what you do, it's up to you. But just चीटिंग्स तो ऐसी मुझे नहीं पता, क्योंकि मैंने की नहीं है, एंड आई डोंट नो कि अगर आप लोग करते हो तो कैसा होता है. एंड प्लीज़ ऑल्सो शेयर योर रिव्यूज़ विद मी इफ़ यू गो थ्रू इट. बट चीटिंग तो यार एज ऑफ नाउ नहीं होती है, एंड देयर इज़ अ प्रॉक्टर हु स्ट्रिक्टली कीप्स ऑन मॉनिटरिंग यू ड्यूरिंग द एग्ज़ाम. क्योंकि मैंने नोटिस किया कि एक दिन मेरा पेन भी गिरा था, देन आई गॉट द इंस्ट्रक्शन फ्रॉम द प्रॉक्टर की keep your camera straight of your laptop. So these type of messages you might receive if you even move from here and there. तो खैर ये तो एक it's a very different question apart from this regular questionnaire. And many of you raise the question that there is a placement or not. So of course placement is there. So agar if you really want to get yourself placed, then you keep on ensure that you keep on applying on the portal for getting your profile placed, and you have to keep on updating your profile with respect to your projects on which you have worked, and whatever the experience you have in the specific domain you have to mention over there. Even you have to always look for the vacancies or the profile which is being offered by the companies for you, and you have to look for it whether your profile can fit in or not. So it is up to you कि प्लेसमेंट्स होते हैं एंड कंपनीज आती हैं. काफ़ी लोग के प्लेसमेंट हुए भी हैं. इनफैक्ट आई ऑल्सो फेस्ड इंटरव्यू फॉर मैनी कंपनीज, बट मुझे रिलेवेंट प्रोफाइल अपने अकॉर्डिंग चाहिए थी, इन विच आई एम ऑलरेडी वर्किंग इन वन ऑफ द कंपनी. सो आई डोंट वांट टू प्रिफर अ डिफरेंट कंपनी टू गेट एम्प्लॉयड माई सेल्फ टू अर्ली, बट आई वॉन्टेड टू जस्ट गेट माई स्किल्स अपलिफ्टेड टू get myself promoted. So this is what about the video is, and this is the strategy I have followed to get promoted in my current company. So yes, this is not a difficult course. If you really want to opt, then you can. Do not forget to like my channel and do not forget to mention your contact details in the comment section if you are really interested. So अगर still you have questions, तो मैं आपको answer करने के लिए अभी भी ready हूँ. So please mention your questions, then I will try to give you answers by my new videos. Till then, thank you so much for watching my videos, and just do not to subscribe and like my channel. हमेशा मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि आप लोग के लिए कुछ अच्छा ही कंटेंट लाऊं दैट वुड बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू गेट योर सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड सक्सेसफुली इन योर करियर जर्नी. क्योंकि डिग्री होकर भी अगर हम अनएम्प्लॉयड हों तो फिर आई डोंट थिंक कि there is a matter of degree any which ways. And बहुत लोग मेरे से पूछते हैं कि मैम is there placement occurs or not? So about this question, so yes, placements are there, and placements usually happens from the reputed company, not like कि आप normal MNCs हो या कुछ हो. They have dignified MNCs who visits your campus to look for the employees who are actually deserving, who can fit for their role, actually fit for the role which is. Last question, बहुत लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं कि मैम placements are there or not? So yes, placements are there, और they invites very dignified MNCs for the placement. It's not like कि किसी भी company से placement करा देंगे ये लोग. But and the one and the last question, I think this is very interesting question, and every of course कि सबको employment में interest रहता है, तो फिर the question that has come to me, और सब लोग कहते हैं कि पूछते ही हैं मुझसे कि मैम इज देयर एनी प्लेसमेंट और नॉट. सो माय आंसर इज येस, देयर इज अ प्लेसमेंट की. बट प्लेसमेंट के लिए यू गाइज हैव टू बी रेडी एंड यू कीप ऑन अप्लाइंग फॉर द विजिटेड कंपनीज टू द यूनिवर्सिटी. तो दे विल ऑफर यू different profiles, but you have to look for the profiles where your interest can where you can fit. Of course there is a very interesting question, and सबको interest होता है employment में of course कि is there any placement or not. So my answer is yes, placement is there, but you guys have to proactively enrolling. So one last question that comes from the and many of you raise a question that there is a placement or not. So of course placement is there. So agar if you really want to get yourself placed, then you keep on ensure that you keep on applying on the portal for getting your profile placed, and you have to keep on updating your profile with respect to your projects on which you have worked, and whatever the experience you have in the specific domain you have to mention over there. Even you have to always look for the vacancies or the profile which is being offered by the companies for you, and you have to look for it whether your profile can fit in or not. So it is up to you कि placements होते हैं and companies आती हैं. काफ़ी लोग के placement हुए भी हैं. In fact I also faced interview for many companies, but मुझे relevant profile अपने according चाहिए थी, in which I am already working in one of the companies, so I don't want to prefer a different company to get employed myself too early. But I wanted to just get my skills uplifted to get myself promoted. So this is what about the video is, and this is the strategy I have followed to get promoted in my current company. So yes, this is not a difficult course. If you really want to opt, then you can. Do not forget to like my channel, and do not forget to mention your contact details in the comment section if you are really interested. So अगर still you have questions, तो मैं आपको answer करने के लिए अभी भी ready हूँ. So please mention your questions, then I will try to give you answers by my new videos. Till then, thank you so much for watching my videos, and just do not to subscribe and like my channel.